Hi, good day, ma'am and sir. This is my presentation, and my product is ice cream. Welcome to our ice cream. Indulge in our delicious and refreshing ice cream dessert made to brighten your day. We offer a variety of flavors from classic flavors to exciting new combination, all crafted with a high quality ingredients. Whenever your cravings a sweet treat on a hot day, or just want to enjoy the delightful dessert of our ice cream creation are perfect for every moment. From creamy scoop to fun sundae and cones, there is something for everyone to enjoy. Come and treat yourself to happiness in every scoop. About mission, to serve a delicious high quality ice cream that spark a happiness and brighten people together, and to the create a welcoming and fun environment for student families and friends, to innovate with unique flavors and treats that surprise and delight every visit. And lastly is to provide a friendly caring service that makes every customer feel valued. And about vision, to be ultimate destination for sweet moments for student families and friends, creating lasting memories. We aim to delight every customer with the unique flavors, fun, and experience, and the warm of welcoming atmosphere, spreading a joy every scoop at a time while becoming a beloved part of our community. Um, and my target market is student, family, friends or groups, barkada groups, couples, and kids. And the price of my ice cream is 20 to 35 basic cones or cup. 50 to 75. This is 20 sorry, 2 to 3 scoop sundae, and 80 to 99 premium sundae with the toppings and wafer. And the lastly is 100 to 130 special and overload dessert. And this is our ice cream. The um this is the first menu, and second, and the third, and the fourth, the last menu, the special overload dessert. And the strategic plan is the goal is to attract the student and nearby customer, sell a consistent number of cups or cone daily, promote the products through social media. Like the goal of the ice cream business focus on what the company wants to achieve. This includes increasing sales, attracting more customer, and making sure buyer and satisfied with the product. The goal guide with the business in improving flavor, service, and the overall performance by having the clear goal, and the business knows what the step to take to become a successful and the grow over time. And the next is market strategy, like use social media like Facebook, TikTok, or Instagram, etc. Offer promos like buy one take one or discount for students. Create a colorful and Instagram worthy products and give loyalty rewards free after several purchase. This is the market strategy is explain how the business is will promote and sell the ice cream. It includes using social media like what he said, Facebook and TikTok and Instagram to reach more people, especially students, offering discount, bundle promos, and eye-catching packaging help attract customer. The goal of marketing is to make people aware to product of encourage them to buy and recommended it to others. And the third is pricing strategy, like budget-friendly prices, bundle deals for groups, and lastly is discount for student. Um, this is the pricing strategy is when setting the price. Ice cream price should be affordable for student while still allowing the business to aim profit. Basic flavors can have lower price, while the premium or special flavor can be slightly higher discount. And promos can also be used to attract more customer. The main goal is to the balance affordable and probability. Sorry. And lastly, operation plan. Clean and safe operation area, friendly and fast service, proper storage of ice cream, and daily inventory checking. This includes preparing the ice cream, maintaining the cleanliness, and ensuring the good customer service. It also involves the managing supplies, storing the ingredients properly, and the serving customer quickly and politely. A good operation plan helps the business run smoothly and keeps customers satisfied. The next is ice cream offer. Student deals like student discount like 10 to 15% off with ID. After school promos buy one get one limited for limited hours. Um, this is student deals are designed to attract students by offering affordable budget-friendly options. Since students usually have a limited money, discounts, free toppings, or combo meals make ice cream more appealing to them. This offer also encourage students to visit regularly, especially during breaks or after school, helping increases daily sales. Family offers like family pack large stuff with the mixed flavors and kids freebies, pre-mini scoop for kids with paying adult. Family offer focus on value for the group of family members. These deals usually include bundle or package or discount when buying multiple ice cream. The goal is to make it easier and more affordable for families to enjoy treat together. It also create a fun bonding experience, encouraging families to choose your ice cream shop and to outing. Group or barkada offers like barkada bundle to 4 to 5 cups and at a lower price and share the save and toppings for every group order. And lastly, loyalty card and rewards. Um I'm giving like buy 5 get 1 free loyalty card, collection stamp and get free ice cream too. And by offering reward like free ice cream after several purchase, point system, or a birthday treats coming, feel appreciated and valued. This builds strong customer relationship and encourage to repeat buying, um, which is important for long-term business successful. Um, Achievements of our ice cream company. Business achieved a successful launch our ice cream business in our community or school, gain a steady number of daily customers, reach our target sales within the first few weeks. This includes increasing sales, earning consistent profit, and managing expenses properly. It also involves expanding the menu, improving product quality, and possibly the opening new stall of our delivery service. The next is customer achieve. Receive a positive feedback from students and families, build a loyalty group, of repeat customer, become a favorite hangout dessert for friends or barcadas. This includes gaining loyal customer, receiving positive feedback, and attracting new buyers regularly. When customer keeping back and recommended the ice cream to others, it means the business is built trust and strong relationship. Marketing achieve gain to followers and engagement on social media, successfully promoted through student discount and bundle, create attractive and Instagram worthy products. Um, this is includes gaining more followers on social media, increasing brand awareness, and successful attracting customer through promotes and advertisement. And the next is benefits of investor. Investors benefits by gaining income opportunities, increasing the value of the growing business. They enjoy and share success and low involvement and potential higher to earnings as a company expand. Get the contact us below, like phone number, email, and social media, and the address of our company. And that's it and all. Thank you. Thank you for listening to me, mom and sir.